To add fingerprint in Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus. Open Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the app's screen. Tap Settings. Tap Lock Screen and Security. Tap Fingerprint Scanner. Enter your password, PIN, pattern, or fingerprint if required. Tap Add Fingerprint. Get ready to add your fingerprint. Be careful not to smudge the camera lens. Swipe your fingertip down over the fingerprint sensor so it can scan your entire fingerprint. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.